Now we're going to solve these same two equations, but we're going to solve them algebraically. And honestly, in my opinion, it is simpler to solve these algebraically. So I'm going to start by, the first thing you want to do is isolate your root, which this one already is. I'm going to cube both sides. Two x equals 126. Divide by 2 and we get x equals 63. Now wasn't that a lot simpler than having to figure out how to graph this? One of the key things with these is that you will want to check your answer. So I will check my answer in red. So I'm plugging this back into my equation. Now this is not an optional step. This is something that you will have to do with every problem, especially problems dealing with even roots. So I'm going to simplify what's inside my radical. 2 times 63 gives us 126 minus 1. Cubed root of 125. And the cubed root of 125 is indeed 5. So our answer is correct. Now let's take a look at letter B. Again, we want to isolate our radical, so I'm going to start by subtracting 41 from both sides. Divide both sides by 5. Now you could stop right here and say, I know that the output of a square root function can never be negative, so there's no solution. I will guarantee you, you will probably forget this during a test or a quiz. So I'm going to continue on. I'm going to square both sides. Now I get 2x minus 4 equals 36. I'll add 4 to both sides and divide both sides by 2. Now I have an answer. I am going to check this answer by plugging it back into the function. (41) plus 5 times the square root of 40 minus 4 equals 11. 41 plus 5 times the square root of 36 equals 11. I'm going to have to move up here. 41 plus 5 times 6 equals 11. 41 plus 30 equals 11, and I get 71 equals 11, which is not true. So this cannot be a solution. That's why it's really important to check your answers.